Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Rahman and I am from Group Richie. And I am going to present the questions you ask. What is the difference between bridge and switch and router? A router essentially determines which way is the fastest or shortest in the network and routes packet accordingly. A switch connects one point to another in a network temporarily by turning it on off as necessary. It works with layer 2 with some intelligence. A bridge connects one point to another in a network. It works at layer 1 and layer 2 of OSI model. What is private cloud? A private cloud is a particular model of cloud computing that involves a distinct and secure cloud-based environment in which only the specified client can operate. What is public cloud? The most recognizable model of cloud computing to many consumers is public cloud model, under which cloud services are provided in a virtualized environment constructed using pooled shared physical resources and accessible over a public network such as internet. What is AWS service from Amazon? Amazon Web Service (AWS) is a secure cloud service platform offering shortage, storage, content delivery and other functionality to help business scale and grow. What is level 3 and what it does? Level 3 communication, it is a premier goal communication provider that provides communication, service, enterprise, government and carrier customers. What are Tier 1 network, Tier 2 network and Tier 3 network? A Tier 1 network is an internet protocol network which participates in internet via settlement-free interconnection, also known as settlement-free peering. A Tier 2 network is an internet service provider who engage in the practice of peering with other networks but who also purchase IP transit each some portion of the internet. Now Tier 2 provides are the most common internet service provider as it is much easier to purchase compared from a Tier 1. The term Tier 3 is sometimes also used to describe network who solely purchase IP transit from other network to reach internet. What are the difference between service provider, enterprise and cloud provider? Service provider, a company which allows subscriber access to internet, enterprise, entrepreneurial activities, especially when accompanied by initiative and resourcefulness. Cloud provider. A cloud provider is a company that offers some component of cloud computing, typically infrastructure as service, software as service, or platform as a service. What is the difference between IoT and IoT? IoT just concepts objects, but this IoT uses network to correlate people, process data, think to become intelligent. What is different between IGP and BGP? Interior Gateway Protocol. IGP is routing protocol which is used to find network within an autonomous system. But the BGP is exterior gateway protocol that works on different autonomous number system. What is MPLS? Multi-protocol level switching. MPLS is a mechanism in high-performance line communication network. It directs data from one network and node to the next based on the short path labeled rather than long network addresses. What is different between OSPF and ISS? OSPF supports NVMe and point to multi-point links. ISIS does not. ISIS writes directly above layer 2 versus on IP like OSPF, which may offer a security advantage. ISIS attacks cannot be routed. What is looking glass? Looking glass serves are computers on the internet running one variety of publicly available looking glass software implementations. A looking glass server is accessible remotely for the purpose of viewing, removing information. Essentially, the server acts as a limited read-only protocol to a router or whatever. What is private and public peering? A public peering is performed across shared network called an internet exchange. Private peering is performed by creating a direct physical connection between two networks. What are different modes of fiber? There are two modes of fiber, single mode of fiber or multi-mode fiber. In single mode fiber, it is an optical fiber designed to carry light only directly down the fiber. The transverse mode, the multi-mode optical fiber is used for communication over the short distances. What is DWDM? Short for dense wavelength division multiplexing, an optical technology used to increase the bandwidth of an existing fiber optic backbones. what are transponders? A transponder is a wireless communication monitoring or control device that picks up an